You're in the process of designing a new website for your business, or maybe you're designing a website page or overhauling a website page. And one of the things that you realize is within your main header, you want to adjust the opacity or kind of have maybe a darker background image for your Divi based website. In this video, we're going to break down the two different ways that you can adjust the opacity level within a background photo or within a background header, so that way you can kind of have a piece of text that stands out over top of your header and an overall better looking website. Any other questions, drop a comment in the video below and we will make sure to address that video too. To adjust the opacity level on an image, what we're going to want to do is go ahead, click on the gear icon, scroll down to our background, which we see right here. And there's really two ways to do this. You can click on a background gradient by adding in a background gradient. Kind of goes to the default Divi options, which are kind of blue and green, and you can kind of adjust that by selecting a new color and then being able to kind of drag that along the gradient, so you can kind of see like where the blue would start and when maybe this greenish hue would come into play. That's a little bit more complicated than I think is really necessary, so what I would recommend is just going ahead and switching to a background gradient, just using the color. So first we'll go ahead, delete this option, and then just select this, click on our photo, and then from there we can kind of drag this down to the opacity level that we would like it to be at. Typically 45 is a good measure. But if you have any other questions regarding the opacity level, just let us know. Thanks.